Assalamualaikum. Dr. Saima is always an inspiration for us and for all the people. Well done, Dr. Saima. Your continuous efforts about the awareness and different programs. I think pulmonology of the Isra University is now a very important department, and we are listening the request of many patients who are benefiting. I think that is a great service from them. And now it is recognized for the MCPS. And Dr. Salman Qazi, its efforts are always successful. Why? Because community medicine was not recognized in the first visit. Second visit, conducted by Dr. Salman Qazi, got recognition of MCPS. MCPS, Fazal, thank you very much. And anybody who is desiring that FCPS should have a recognition, I think the resource person without any fees, Dr. Salman is available. So I was just seeing the air quality, and we are talking about the air, water. Most of our curriculum is based on these two important natural resources or natural factors of health and even life. We see not only health but even the life. And when I say life, it is plant, it is animal kingdom, it is human being, and all are connected. And that's why WHO is now giving a new kind of approach, which is One Health. So without environmental understanding, without understanding the living environment around us, whether they are human beings, cities or anything, and even the hospitals, and then comes to the human being. So that is important. In the last COPD, I mentioned the air quality index of Hyderabad. Air quality index, if somebody can open the mobile phone and write AQI, Hyderabad, Pakistan, because Hyderabad, India is more coming on the mobile phones rather than Hyderabad, Pakistan, because we have two Hyderabad nearby, one is in India, so we are confused. So somebody can tell me that what is today's just now air quality index. Is it healthy? It is according to the WHO, and even the people who are interested in public health or community awareness, they must understand the air quality index just like a stethoscope. This is a stethoscope of the environment, of the air pollution. So air quality index, I have just seen, it was more than 255. Somebody has taken Hyderabad. So 250, it should not be more than 50. Once again, I am repeating. The air quality index of Hyderabad today, right at this moment, is 255, and that should not be 50. It should be less than 50. So you can understand that in which air you are living, though you have tile, you have suits, you have good carpeted offices, but your air quality is not as normal as it should be, is not healthy even for you people. Look at the COPD patients. If you are already treating them, because these doses, these drugs are tested when air pollution was not as bad as it is today. And even in the Western countries, all these regimens and doses are researched, not here. Most of them are from the USA-based companies. So we have to think that what is normal dose, what should be if the air pollution index of Hyderabad is 250 rather than 50, what should be the dose, whether we are harming something or we are improving something. I think that awareness Dr. Simon should take care, and I think one or two slides in your every COPD air quality index normal values and the values of Hyderabad so far for Pakistan. Another is to PM 2.5 AQI, air quality index, that should not be more than 50, and PM 2.5, which is particulate matter, not Prime Minister of Pakistan or CM. It is PM 2.5 means micron, 2.5 micron means that can enter into the lung. These are non-air elements, whether they are smoke, whether they are dust, whether they are any harmful substances. So 2.5 is the smallest size which you can imagine, and they can drop into your lungs and ultimately they will cause the damage. So that is should not